How to fix high RAM or memory or disk uses on Windows 11 or 10. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix high RAM or memory or disk uses on Windows 11 or 10. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Step 1. Disable the sys main or Superfetch service. For that, right-click on the start icon at bottom right corner or bottom left corner of the screen, and then select Run. On this menu bar, you need to simply type in services.msc. Once you type in it, click on OK button. Now a new windows appear on your screen, which is the services window. On this window, you need to simply scroll down and find out the option for Superfetch. If you don't see the option for Superfetch, simply you need to select the sys main option. Right click on the service and then you have to click on the option for stop. Once you click on it, you need to go to the memories or simply click on it and then go to properties. And here you need to simply set the start type. Here you will see automatic. Simply you can use this arrow in this way, and then you need to type to disable or you need to click the disable option, and then once you have made the changes, click on the OK button and close this windows. Once you have done that, you need to see whether your issue has been fixed or not. If not fixed, you have to go through the other step. For that, you have to adjust the visual performance settings. For that, again press Window and R on your keyboard, and this Run window appears on your screen where you have to simply delete this and then type in sysdm.cpl. Now press Enter on your keyboard, and again a new windows appear on your screen where you have to go to the Advanced tab next to Hardware, and then under Performance you have to click on Settings. Now you have to select Adjust in order to have the best performance, and then you have to click on the Apply button and then OK. This will prioritize performance over the visual effects. Once you have done this, you need to go through the other step if your issue did not resolve yet. For that, you need to disable the unnecessary startup programs. Simply right-click the Start icon again and then click on the Task Manager. Once the new windows appear, you have to go to the Startup tab. Simply disable the non-essential programs but leave the critical one like graphics, audio, and security services enabled. This will reduce the resource uses at startup, visual effects, or this will reduce this resource uses at startup. Once you have done that, you need to simply close this, and you can easily update Windows and power plant settings. Go to the search bar at bottom left corner of the screen and simply click on Settings. And from here you can select the Windows Update and ensure that your system is up to date. You can easily search for power plant settings and select the high performance or create a new power plant with the option to enhance the performance. If you don't find this option, do not worry. Simply you can check for update and update it to the latest version. Following these steps, you can simply fix high RAM or memory or disk uses on Windows 10 or 11. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.